All right, another exciting Friday in the Live Good camp. Okay, so if you're watching this video, I'll just give you a brief rundown. All right, what we're doing, because every Friday, all right, our full company ownership, all four, the Fab Four, Lisa and Ryan Goodkin, Nader Kazan, and Ben Glinsky, our CEO, they do a live Zoom meeting. And all of our live company meetings are always noon Eastern time because we're based out of Jupiter, Florida. Now, all of our meetings, they're recorded. Okay, that's hard to say, I guess. Recorded. And they'll be on YouTube. Just go ahead and search. If you bookmark my YouTube channel, I record all of our meetings. All right, that way everybody can watch them anytime. All right, could be a year or two down the road, or could be an hour or so after they're live. But we understand that people have work going on and life going on, and since we're a worldwide business, noon our time here in the United States could be 3 in the morning the next day over in Asia. Okay, so anyway, Firestarter Friday. All right, we had another 9,000 people sign up for the week worldwide, members and affiliates. Okay, that's exciting to have this kind of momentum because it shows that people, number one, they believe in Live Good, they like the products, and they want to be affiliates for only 40 bucks. All right, one time. You got two $20 bills, you got 40? Okay. Well, if you do, you can be an affiliate. It's where you can be just basically a cheerleader and tell people, hey, man, Live Good. Click this link. Watch this short video. And if you like what you see, come aboard. You can just order the products at livegood.com, just like going to amazon.com, walmart.com. You don't have to be a member or an affiliate to buy our products. But if you're a member for $9.95 a month, all right, you get pure savings out the wazoo. Okay, we're talking wholesale. Even Santa's like, damn. Even the hoes underneath the freeways in high heels are going, damn, that's a good deal, Cory. So what I do is I go ahead and buy all my products wholesale and I go sell them to hoes underneath the freeway. I'm just kidding. Or am I? I don't know. So anyway, now if you're an affiliate, okay, which I hope you become. Because when I first got involved with Live Good, I was just buying the products. And then I saw that if I spent $9.95 a month to be a member, I would save about 40 bucks. Spend 10 to save 40. Times that by 12. Yeah, that was like a no duh. Okay? And then I had a friend of mine a couple months in go, hey, you should look into Live Good. And I'm like, well, I am. It's making me dead sexy as I go on my 60-year anniversary of being born from mama. And he's like, no, you should be an affiliate. And I'm like, no, I'm not like this MLM guy. I'm not going to, promote some product that's $100. It's only worth 10. And he's like, no, these products, they're sold for wholesale. And we commission on the membership side. And I'm like, well, I do see the benefit of that. Netflix is a membership based company. Amazon Prime. Wow. And everyone in America is familiar with Costco. It's one of the biggest places to go buy camping gear, food, dry food, frozen food, pants, undies, even big screen TVs and jewelry. So you pay a membership price each month or just get a yearly membership. Go in there and shop your ass off. And you can take those products and resell them in your store or just take them home and enjoy them. Costco, billions of dollars each month. Okay. So $10 a month to save 40. I only spent 40 bucks one time to be an affiliate. And here it is 2 years later, a number 29 out of 2 million people on the leaderboard. All by making things as simple as possible. And in this case, joincory.com. That is all I do. Because when you go to joincory.com, I forward it for free through GoDaddy. Okay. And I bought joincory.com. I think it was about 11 bucks. I think I had a coupon. It was like 10 bucks at the time. But I bought a couple of domains the other day from GoDaddy, and they were $11.95. That's everything out the door. So when I get that domain, I don't host a website and build all this fancy crap. I just tell GoDaddy, forward it to my personal capture page link at LiveGood, which you get too when you join as a member and affiliate. Okay, so let me just show you. There it is right there. Joincory.com, 11 bucks. I get these, cheap, very cheap business cards. I mean, for about 20 bucks, you get a big old box. The reason I like business cards is if by chance I run into you at the gas station, the gym, at the store, or at a party, I just hand you the card and say, guys, if you want to look into Live Good, just go to joincory.com. I don't really talk about Live Good on a street level because you're going to zone out. I'm going to zone out. I find it highly boring. I would rather just have you watch a short video. Okay, so why don't we go to joincory.com? I'll just show you what the capture page looks like. And the reason we call it a capture page is because you'll put your name and email address there if you're interested in Live Good for more information or you want to join. But here's that video I was telling you about. It's 5 minutes and 55 seconds. It's hosted by Ben Glinsky, our CEO, and it tells you everything you need to know about the product and the affiliate opportunity, how much, how we pay. Done. 5 minutes and 55 seconds. I'm on my way doing stuff, and you're on your way doing stuff if you don't want to join. But I'm not going to come to your living room. I'm not going to get on the phone, not going to text or email. You're just going to sit back and do your research. Go to YouTube, watch other videos. I've got about 3,900 videos just related to Live Good. That's how much I believe in this company. Okay, and I don't think anyone else has that many Live Good videos because I count. All right, it's not that hard to look and see who posts the most when it comes to the Live Good thing. All right, so this is the page that I recommend you invite people to when you join as a member and that $40 as an affiliate. Okay, watch this YouTube video for sure. If you want more information, name, email address. Obviously, if you want to join, name, email address, open up your Live Good email that you get and just follow through. Get a username, password, just go through everything. That's super easy to set up. Okay, we get paid every Thursday, and all of our products, believe it or not, have a 90-day guarantee. So go to the products tab, which is this right here. Always look at the products. Buy them. Use them. If you don't like them, you think they're boring, get your money back. Just send even an empty container. Even if you buy lean or these multivitamins, protein powder, CBD oil, these two products are what brought me in to the Live Good family. Super Greenies and Super Reddies. I love the orgasmic coffee too. Yum, yum. Amino acid fruit punch. I'm going to start buying this lean. I like everything I hear about it. And then also Vitality. Okay? Because I'm born in the 60s. Man, I could use a kick in the pants with boost and stamina. All right? Improve my libido. All right? Hell yeah, bring it on. So I'm going to start taking Vitality and give you guys maybe a weekly or every couple weeks, I'll tell you what the effects are. You know, do I love it or not? And if I am a member, I'm going to get rock bottom prices on it. Couple bucks. U.S. Post Office does all our shipping here in America. And if you live outside of America, DHL International with tracking. They do all the shipping and all that stuff. Okay? So go to the products, check them out, and just click the white rectangle boxes. You get the pricing, the ingredients, how to use it, everything. Okay? Now go to the FAQ. All right, look at that. All those questions, just click and they're answered. Okay? Now go to the bottom of the website you're on right now or the bottom of your cell, and it's going to say affiliate pay plan or pay plan. Okay? How do we get paid? Because we are a wholesale-based company. You don't have to buy any products during commissions because when it's wholesale, that means we're only selling the products to you or anyone else for barely more than cost. So there's no profit on the products. It's a membership-based website like Costco. Okay? So when you go to the pay plan link, you'll see the word affiliate right at the top in green there. Just scroll down. You can read these 7 ways we get paid. I find it highly boring. Go to the bottom. I'm a video guy. I don't like reading. I only like gawking at video. And I like saying hello to that pretty young lady right there. Watch this YouTube video. It explains everything how we get paid. If you don't understand it, watch it again. If you don't understand it, watch it again. It's a short video. All right? You guys will get it down to a science. Or is it science? Okay. So here's your homework, kids. Go to the pay plan and just check out the YouTube video. I think it's by far the easiest way to understand how we get paid every Thursday. Then go to that FAQ. Go to the products. Okay? And it all starts this way. joincory.com. Okay, and if you join my group, I'll send you an email telling you exactly what I do every day. Okay, I did not get on the leaderboard with 416 people signed up. I actually got 420, but the little clicker for some reason says only 416. But anyway, man, I'll tell you, to get almost 400 to 500 people by this summer, and I mean the summer of 2025. I'm very excited. I have very little experience in this business, but I'm very good at just turning my webcam on and inviting you to click something to watch something. That's all you got to do with Live Good. Keep it simple. Don't over-explain. If you do a video like this, I don't mind doing 10 minutes or 12 minutes, whatever this video will come out to, because if people watch this months and months and years down the road, I'll have thousands of people watch this video that I'm producing right now. And definitely it's worth my while. So I'm a big fan of video. I love YouTube. If you know how to email, great. I'll show you how I do that with total compliance with Live Good. You don't want to get caught spamming and doing junk mail. It's all ineffective anyway. And on top of that, I love doing the social media thing between TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Those three, they're just giant. They're massive, and you're probably already posting on those social media platforms anyway. So, okay, guys, looks like I'm at the 11-minute mark. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go to that joincory.com domain, and I think you're going to like what you're going to see, okay? All right, have a good weekend. It's Friday as I produce this, okay? And get a hold of me if you need something. Cory at corydraper.com, or get a hold of me on Facebook through my inbox. I'm easy to find there too. Okay, guys, take care. Bye.